Now we're going to show you how to properly dither the dish. You've already coarse roughed it in, locked down your collar bolts, now you're ready to start the actual dithering process. So, like your meter tells you, adjust your elevation, fine-tune adjustment 2 turns counterclockwise. Before you do, always make sure black dial is zeroed out. There's 1, 2 turns. Set your reference on your aim, and then the aim tells you turn clockwise past peak to reference. So, count your turns as you go. There's 1, 2, 3, 4. Once you hear the beep, you slow down. So you just passed 5, and if you look, the flag is right on the 9, and since you're counting backwards, that's 5.1. So you'll input that into your aim on the screen that popped up, 5.1. Press OK. Tells you to turn back counterclockwise 2.55 turns. So you zero out the plastic dial, counterclockwise, 1, 2.55. Press OK. Next, and now you move over to your azimuth. So again, zero out the dial. You can either choose to use a little notch up on the top, or on the bottom there is a flag, and when you're on a pole mount, I just find it easier to go from the top. So zero out the dial, 2 turns counterclockwise. 1, 2. Tried to set reference, says please make 1 more turn. If you have not gone 2 decibels off of your peak, it will not count. So I go 1 more turn counterclockwise. Now it's set. So now it says again, adjust clockwise past peak to reference. So I'm going to go ahead. There's 1. There's 2. 3. Now it starts beeping, so I slow it down. There's 4 turns. So, as you can see, I went 4 between the 9 and the 8, and since we're going backwards, 4.15. So I punch that in to the aim, press OK. It tells me to turn back counterclockwise 2.08 turns. So zero the plastic dial. There's 1. There's 2.05. Right about there, I would say, is 0.08. Press OK, press next, run EIV, and the goal is to get all checks. And there you go. With that, you have properly dithered this dish. It is peaked in and good to go.